Hey there, Marlon Marisha here, and I want to talk to you today about the 3 apps that I just couldn't live without when I'm running my web design business. So no, these aren't the technical design apps. These are the business apps that help me run a business that's highly profitable and that is actually growing. And so the first app I want to talk to you about is Zoom. Zoom is an app that for me is a no-brainer. Most of my clients are in the US and I live in Australia. And so all of my sales calls are done over Zoom. And without Zoom, I can't meet up with clients. It'll be on the phone. And Zoom allows me to build trust very quickly with my client base and my prospects because they can see me, they can hear me, they can see that I'm a real person. And so my sales meetings run perfectly over Zoom. I couldn't live without it. Now, I could use GoToWebinar or some other platform. The reason I use Zoom is because it's easy to use. There's a lot of people using it. Everyone knows how to use it. And thirdly, it's really cheap and inexpensive, and it does a really good job. I think the feature set is actually better than GoToWebinar and a few of the other more expensive apps out there. So they've done very, very well. Now, the other way I use Zoom is for my coaching calls. I run a coaching business as well as my web design business, and all of my coaching calls, almost every day I'm on some sort of coaching call, and I have all my students in there, and we are talking, interacting. One of the things I love about it is I can actually share screens with them, and then I can take control of their screen, and I can actually not just take control, but I can actually do stuff. We can work together, right? And so I'll take over their Facebook ads account and I'll start doing some work, and they're watching me and we're recording it, or I'll look at their website, or I'll look at their lead magnet and I'll make some edits on the copy. And so it's really powerful to enable me to take control of someone else's screen. And then the third way I use Zoom is for webinars or live events. And so I host webinars twice or 3 times a week. It's a sales event, and sometimes it's a training event, and I use Zoom for that. Now, I used to use Zoom Webinar. I'd pay an extra $50 a month for that, but I really didn't like it. I didn't like the way I couldn't see the audience, and they could see me, but I couldn't see them. And so I like it more where I can see the audience. We can actually talk instead of just chatting. So it feels like it's a two-way conversation. It's better for building relationships. So I've got rid of Zoom Webinar and I use Zoom Meeting for all of my live events now. So that's the first one, Zoom. The second app that I just couldn't live without is Clickup. Now, Clickup is a project management app, and I've used many project management apps out there. I have used Asana, which is a great app, but I just think Clickup for me is better. I've used Teamwork, I've used Basecamp, but Clickup is the new kid on the block. It's adding lots of features very quickly, and there's some key features I really love, and I want to show you some of these key features now. And so if you have a look here, this is ClickUp. It's just a task in ClickUp. And what I love about it is it's like any project management app. You can see the task here, and you can see there's all the description here, and there's the standard stuff, comments. What I love though is that I can click on this image here, and when a client, I can put this image in as a comment to a client and ask them for feedback. And what they can do is actually click here on add comment. And then they can say, oh, I don't like this logo. So they can click on the logo. It adds a little thing here, and they can say, change logo to dark color, right? So now they've changed the logo there, and they can go comment. Then they can say here, update this text. Comment. Right, and then they can make comments directly here. We can come back in, we can see their comments, and we can make the changes. Brilliant. Just really makes the workflow easier instead of having to copy and paste. Like, see this one here, we're copying and pasting images. That's fine for us to do internally. I don't mind doing that. But when we work with clients, it's harder for clients to actually do that screenshotting. They don't have the app. It's just easier that way. All right, so the next feature I love is this. You basically click in the comments, and then there's a little button here where you can click, and you can actually record a video. So you can say, which screen do I want to record? I want to record this screen here. And then you can start recording a video, and you can say, look, actually on the website, the sales website.com. Oh, I spelled my own URL wrong. On the sales-driven website, so see this heading here? Can you change that to the sales-driven website blueprint? okay? And see this diagram? Can you kind of make it bigger? And down here, see this lead magnet? I don't like that. Can you put the ebook there? And so when you're done doing all your changes, or your clients doing their changes, they can come here and click stop. And voila, look what it's doing. It's recording the video, it's uploading it to Clickup, and it's putting it here. And so now you can click play, and the instructions you gave to your developer or the instructions the client has given to you is now playable from this. And then you can start recording a video and you can say, that's just an example there. That is amazing. And that kind of does away with Loom if you use Loom. You don't need that app. So that is ClickUp, and it's revolutionized the way we run our projects now. We do lots of things with ClickUp. There's a lot more we do, but they're the two tips that I love. And then the third app that I just can't live without is called Goodnotes. It's an iPad app, and so what I want to do is just show you here. Let's just jump onto the iPad. And so this is my iPad, you can see, and you can see it's an app where I can draw. So I do a lot of teaching online, whether it's my students or whether it's my team, and I will use this app where I can, draw, and I can highlight different things, and I can get a highlighter and say, hey, this is the important part. I can get this and I can say, hey, and just highlight things without actually drawing on it. And so it's pretty amazing what you can do. And what you find here is I have a lot of ideas, even with my clients, web design clients, with my coaching, and I come up with these drawings, and you can see that I can, draw on here, and I can tell my my team to do, and then I just export it. I go here, and I can export this page, and I can just send it through Skype or any other service. I can put it straight into ClickUp, and then they can make the changes that they want to make. And so for me, the ability to draw has transformed the way I work, because I used to use Google Docs and just write a lot and write everything in text, and it was very hard to visualize, especially when you're building funnels and building websites. And now I'm able just to take my thoughts and very quickly draw it out. And that drawing actually speeds up the process. You can be a lot more creative, and you can send it off to someone to actually do the work for you. So they say a picture tells 1,000 words, and can I just tell you, in the web design business, a picture definitely tells 1,000 words. The other thing you can do is you can take a screenshot of a page, and you can draw it and make changes to it, and then put that into ClickUp as well. So there's many different uses for it. But hey, that's my 3 apps that I just couldn't live without to grow my web design business. What I'd love to know is, what are the 3 apps that you use that you couldn't live without to grow your business? Now remember, it's not about the technical side of web design. I don't care about that. What I care about is, what are the apps you're using to actually grow your business? So if you can write in the comments the 3 apps, I'd love to hear what you're using so I can potentially learn. And hopefully we can get together and we can get some good ideas, and hopefully we'll all learn something and improve our businesses with some great apps that are out there today. So write it in the comments. I'll speak to you soon.